Hello, I'm Devorah Steinberg, licensed independent clinical social worker and certified yoga teacher. I'm here to talk about Genesis Integrative Therapy, which is my business as a mind-body therapist. People ask me all the time, what is integrative therapy? What is mind-body therapy? And basically, it's bottom-up processing rather than top-down processing. And what I mean by that is that the body and the knowing and then the heart and the head, in that order, are the way that we approach the healing. In traditional talking psychotherapy, there's words and sharing, thoughts, feelings, emotions, but not necessarily an awareness or an expression of the body, or the energy, or movement, or even the spirit, and all of that deep knowing is where the integrative therapy begins and then integrates up. So this kind of work using hypnotherapy and movement and yoga and breath and energy healing is much more powerful, allows people to get to the core, the root of what's really going on with them for more permanent, lasting changes. I have been amazed over the 25 years that I've been in this work, as I have added more of the body-oriented integrative type work, how much more effective the work is. My clients are more satisfied with the work that we're doing. They're more satisfied with the results, decrease of their symptoms, the increase of their happiness, and I'm more satisfied that the relationship that we have can actually bring powerful healing. I'm very pleased and honored to do the work that I do. I think that it's a true gift to healing, not only for the individuals, but for all the people whose lives they touch. And my website is GenesisIntegrativeTherapy.com. My practice is located in Jamaica Plain, Massachusetts. Again, this is Devorah Steinberg, and thank you very much for listening. I'm really pleased and honored to have the opportunity to share who I am and what I do.